Hello guys, yes Shivli and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 100% natural, organic and steroid free protein powder at home. It's 100% safe and beneficial for you and your baby as well. So guys, for this protein powder I have taken some dry fruits. I have taken some peanuts, cashews and some almonds and some roasted chickpeas as well. You may add some more dry fruits such as walnuts, pistachios and so on as you like. So guys, at first I am going to roast the peanuts. We are going to roast all the ingredients separately because roasting time of them are different. So at first I am roasting the peanuts. The heat should be on medium now. We need to stir them continuously like this and we need to roast them until they start to split. You will be able to hear the splitting sounds of the peanuts, and after that we need to roast them continuously for about 2 minutes on medium to low heat, and after that they are ready. I am taking them out and in the same pan I am adding the almonds. I will roast them for about 2 minutes and after 2 minutes I will add the cashews in the same pan with almonds. After adding cashews, we need to roast for about 3 to 4 minutes together. After that, they are ready. I am taking them out. There should be no moisture in the ingredients, so I am roasting them. And now the roasted chickpeas are already roasted, and now I am just stirring for about 2 minutes on medium to low heat to remove the remaining moisture in them. All of them are done. Now we need to cool them down. After cooling down, I peeled the peanuts off as you can see, and all of them are ready to be grinded. So for grinding, I am taking a grinding jar, big grinding jar, and adding a portion of them, and after grinding, here it is. And now we need to sieve it with a fine sieve so that we can get a fine powder, fine protein powder. After sieving the coarse powder on the sieve, the rest coarse powder on the sieve, I am going to add this in the grinder again, and along with this I am adding some more whole ingredients. Here I added the coarse powder and I am adding some more from the plate. So we need to grind it again and sieve it again, and we need to repeat the same process again and again until all the whole ingredients are finished. So let's do it, and our protein powder will be ready. So guys, our protein powder is ready. I'm storing it in a jar and it will stay for about 2 to 3 months in normal temperature. Now just boil milk and add 2 teaspoons of this protein powder and enjoy. Use 1 teaspoon a day for kids. Thank you so much for watching.